Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for a history exam. First, gather all your materials. This includes your textbook, class notes, and any handouts. Next, understand the exam structure. Is it multiple choice, essay, or a mix? Knowing this helps you tailor your study approach. Finally, identify the key historical periods or events that will be covered. This initial preparation is crucial for effective studying. Once you know what to study, it's time for effective strategies. Don't just reread your notes, actively engage with the material. Try making flashcards for important dates, names, and terms. Explain concepts aloud as if you're teaching someone else. This active recall strengthens your memory. Also, break down large topics into smaller, manageable chunks. Consistent, focused study sessions are more beneficial than last-minute cramming.
Hey everyone, if you're finding these tips helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really supports us in creating more content. On another note, imagine studying with your favorite historical podcast playing in the background. Bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. It's a fantastic way to enhance your learning environment. Check the description for a link and other deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
To truly master history, focus on connections, not just memorization. Understand why events happened and their long-term impact. Practice writing short essays or outlines for potential exam questions. This helps you organize your thoughts and articulate arguments clearly. Consider forming a study group with classmates. Discussing concepts and quizzing each other can reveal new perspectives and solidify your knowledge. Collaboration makes learning more engaging. As the exam approaches, shift your focus to review and practice. Go over all your notes, summaries, and flashcards. Take practice tests to simulate the actual exam environment. This helps you manage your time effectively and identify areas needing more attention. Don't forget the importance of self-care. Get a good night's sleep and eat nutritious meals. A well-rested mind performs much better on exam day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.